You don't want to go, let him take it, and then you're going to go, drop it, drop it, drop it. He doesn't know what it means. So you got to show him what to do. All right, so when we're working on drop it, I try to wait until the dog is super interested, like, and not move, and he's going to eventually let go. Or two, I'll put the treat right by his nose, which is going to make him let go. But you have to make sure he doesn't see you take the treat out, or else he's going to stare at your fist. Okay, drop it. Yes, good, drop it. Okay, drop it. Yes. Once he starts to get a hang of it, when he lets it go on his own, I release after.
Okay.
All right, drop it. Yes, good.
Boy.
Yes.
What a good boy.
Yes.